Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are exploring what is arguably the best large magnets for whiteboards, the BTLIN Fridge Magnets Extra Strong, Large Heavy-Duty Magnetic Pushpins. If you're looking for a reliable and powerful magnet solution for your refrigerator, office whiteboard, or any metal surface, these might just be the perfect choice. First off, these magnets stand out due to their impressive strength and size. Measuring 15 by 18 millimeters, each magnet is designed to hold up to 26 sheets of A4 paper. Imagine how convenient that is for displaying multiple notes, reminders, posters, or even photos without worrying about them slipping or falling. This capacity makes them incredibly practical for homes, offices, classrooms, or workshops where you need to keep important information visible and secure. One of the unique features of these magnets is their construction. They combine a premium neodymium magnet core with an external iron shell crafted through CNC lathe processing. This combination ensures the magnets deliver a maximum vertical holding force of 18 pounds. The result is a strong grip that will not easily slide off vertical surfaces like refrigerators or metal bulletin boards. Beyond their holding power, these magnets offer versatility. Their elegant wine glass-shaped handle makes them easy and comfortable to grip and move around. Unlike flat or purely functional magnets, the sleek electroplated silver surface gives them a polished and refined look, fitting well in both professional and domestic settings. Additionally, their design allows them to act not only as magnets but also as mini hooks. You can hang lightweight items like scissors, aprons, or towels, adding extra functionality. Installation and use are straightforward. The compact size of the magnet allows it to fit even on narrow iron surfaces without any hassle. They are easy to place and remove without damaging your magnetic surface or the items you attach to them. However, it's important to note that they are not suitable for glass magnetic boards, so be sure to use them on compatible metal surfaces. This 12-pack of magnets offers excellent value, giving you enough to organize various areas around your home or office. Whether you want to keep your kitchen notes and receipts organized, display your children's artwork, or secure important memos in the office, these magnets provide a robust and visually appealing solution. In summary, the BTLIN Large Heavy-Duty Magnetic Pushpins combine power, style, and practicality. Their super strong neodymium core, thoughtful handle design, and versatile use make them a standout choice for anyone needing reliable magnetic holding. If you want to upgrade your whiteboard or refrigerator organization with magnets that won't let you down, these are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product insights. See you next time.